Hey, how's it going today? Out here today in Ashland, Virginia, checking out a roof. We've got obvious hail damage up there that came through on a storm here recently. Understanding that we do have up to 2 years to go ahead and make the claim as far regarding hail damage on your roof. If you need any help with that or have us come out for a free inspection of your house, just give us a call at 434-944-6005. Kenneth Daniel Roofing, we're there for you.